Hey guys, today we are gonna talk about Carecredit card. I want to talk about something about Carecredit card. In the pursuit of optimal health, we often encounter unexpected expenses that can strain our finances. So you can enter carecredit.com and you can create an account for you, and you can enter care credit a credit card designed specifically to use the financial burden of healthcare costs, making wellness more accessible to everyone. And let's talk about some features of this card. Care Credit is not just a credit card, it's a financial solution tailored for healthcare expenses, from routine checkups and dental care to elective procedures and veterinary services. Care Credit covers a wide spectrum of health and wellness needs. And one of the standout features of Care Credit is its flexibility. Yes, it's really flexible. With a variety of repayment plans, you can choose the one that aligns with your budget. Whether you prefer short-term financing for immediate needs or extended plans for larger expenses, so Care Credit adapts to your financial circumstances, I can say. And the other good thing about Carecredit card is that it is widely accepted at a vast network of healthcare providers, including doctors, dentists, vision care specialists, and even veterinary clinics. This broad acceptance ensures that you can use your credit card for a multitude of health-related services, enhancing its utility. So, and let's see the login page. After this features of this credit card, you can see there is a login button here, and I clicked it. After this click, you can see a new page. So you need to type your username and password. If you don't have an account, you can click register button here, and if you forget your username or password, you can remember in this page. So thank you so much for watching my video. Share for more videos. Thanks.